All right, today we're going to bring on outdoor LED lights. So if you want to get ready for the holidays or just want to display this in your house, you can do that. Now the set is about 50 feet long. All right, so if you're going to cover your house, make sure you measure it first. So these are going to be 50 feet, including the cable to connect. So they give you in different sections, if you guys can see. So there's a couple feet here, a couple of feet here, and a couple of feet here, and then the end of the cord, of course, and then you get an extension cord, so for longer. All right, but this is not lighting, it's only for the connection. Now they do give you a lot of screws, which I like, the remote control, and the actual power connection where you have to connect everything at once. So I'm gonna put it together today and see how it looks. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and connect it here. If you guys can see that, that's where we're gonna connect the actual lights. All right, so we're gonna check out the lights today, and I do have the remote control for it. Here's the remote. We could turn them off if we want. So let me turn them off for you. Off with the control, on with the control, and then we're able to change different colors if we want from the control. Very simple control, if you guys can see that. Awesome colors. All right, we have the application here. We could change any color we want. Easy to change the color. You guys can see that. Now we're going to change the tone colors to templates. And they have different templates for different things that you want. So we're going to do one of them. And it gets like give it a second and it starts. Look at that. Easy to use with the application. Plenty of things to do. I'm gonna do fireworks. Look at that. Awesome lighting show. So very simple to use. You can turn it off from here,